Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So, did you guys take the signal? When I drove this, I said we will be definitely reaching somewhere close to 45,000, and here we are. This is where I drew what I drew on the last video. If you did watch it, the arrow that will be ending here. So, we have reached this point. So, if you did take a long position, so you would have made profits just like this, right? So, let's see what's going to happen to Bitcoin next. So I predicted a drop from there. So let's see if it is still validated, right? So let's, as usual, let's get rid of our previous drawings. Just remove. Let's check on the. Let's see what's up with daily. I don't see anything special. I just see sort of, you know, a little bit of W pattern, but then it's very unlikely it's going to break. Okay, it's going to break 46,000 and then go above. 20% chance, 80% chance, retrace a bit, at least 2-3,000. So nothing much to do on the daily, but what I do see is a long-term wedge, right? It's like this. So if that is to happen, we fall from here, at least somewhere here, 35,000, right? I think you need a little bit more confirmations for that to happen. So let's see what's going to happen for the next 2 to 3 days. So let's go back into forwards. What do we see here? So we do see a rising wedge, another triangle pattern. Somewhat, if you draw it like that, right? So yeah, so that's a rising wedge over there. Let's get rid of the trend line support. So we do also have the previous strong resistance. I think we took this sometime back from the daily. Yeah, so you see this is like a very valid resistance. It's so hard to break this one, so I don't think it will, right? Not today. So let's go back into the indicators. Let's see, right now we are trading above all sorts of moving averages. What do we see here? So let's put on a fib, right? So yeah, so if you do that, you do see we are on a point 618 resistance as well. We do have the horizontal resistance, and then we do have a rising wedge pattern. The W formed very well and it went up. So let's get back into the DOM and let's see. So we predicted that there'll be a curve, but then I told you there was a rising wedge, inverted rising wedge on the DOM. So we dropped, and then here is the curve, but then it has gone a little bit below. So most likely what I think is this has been changed into a falling wedge as well. So if I'm to draw it for you, right? So let this go this way, right? So this is falling wedge. So most likely will be wedge resisted. Also, we do have a good support on DOM right over here. Yeah, let's make this one as a resistance, right? So I think this is still valid. We'll most likely touch 1300 more or less very soon. You'll get to know during the next 2 days. But for now, I strongly believe that we might have a short-term retracement. But with all the FOMO buyings and the bullish market potential, things could happen. But then 80% chance we are going to drop. So I did open a short. So this is my position. Sorry about that. This is my position. So I do expect BTC to drop to the previous support level with a stop loss to 47,000 and probably one-time laddering in between, right? So let's get into a shorter time frame. Let's go through our indicators. Let's see what do they say, right? So we did have a sell signal on the Bollinger Band strategy few days back, but then we broke and then we went up. The RSI is at an overbought position. The Fisher is at an overbought position on the 1 number. Let's go into the forwards. Yeah, everything is too much, it should fall. So let's go into the 15 minutes. Everything is too much, should fall. So what next? Let's just draw. What do I think about Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, what do you do? So this is what's gonna happen. Where's my brush? Okay. So this is one, and then you definitely need to have a what you call another laddering order. So I think this might be two, right? So I'll just change that to a different column. Shit. Yeah, so that's that. Right, so this is what I think about Bitcoin. See you guys in the next video. Have a nice day. Enjoy the weekend. Remember, it's the end of the month. 46,000, taking profit.